I'm Susan Zielke. I'm a senior supervisory attorney with Land of Lincoln, and I've been here for 14 years. I grew up in Bethany, Illinois, and graduated from the only high school in town, Bethany High School. I went to the University of Illinois for both undergrad and law school, and finished law school here in 1997, and had volunteered as a law clerk at Land of Lincoln here in the Champaign office, and then just slid into a spot here.
And frankly, she's the reason why I love my job so much these days. I'm not a natural administrator. She's a natural administrator. Our skill set tend to complement each other well, and she can attend to many of the details and day-to-day responsibilities that just kind of drive me crazy. And in addition to that, she's still a case handler and has been very involved with our medical legal partnership project.
Up to this point, our partner has been Carle Hospital here in town. Their social work and nurse case managers will see patients on the floor who are inpatient, and if they have some legal issues, they can refer the client over here. Now, as we expand it, we're taking advantage of the fact that Carle Clinic and Carle Hospital have merged, and that Carle Clinic is excited about opening up this option to their doctors and their patients who aren't at the hospital all the time, but seeing the doctors in the clinics. And then also another aspect is just helping them apply for financial assistance with the hospitals. Most of them have charity care programs, and so we help them fill out the forms and gather the documents that they need to apply for that assistance. When I was in junior high, my dad, who'd been a lifelong worker and had worked 1 or 2 jobs since he was 16 and going to high school still, his asthma became debilitating, and so he couldn't work anymore. And that actually then put my family, who'd been doing pretty well financially, put us in the shoes of my clients today. And I watched my family kind of go through that. And at that point, that's when I knew I'm going to go be a lawyer, and I'm going to help poor people. But I didn't really know legal aid existed then. And then I interviewed for a summer position with Land of Lincoln and got the position, and within the first couple weeks knew that this was where I was meant to be. And I just loved interacting with the clients and being able to take really serious legal needs and do something about them.
Susan is just somebody who is extremely even-tempered, and she's just a joy to work with. And once again, her unflappability is a characteristic that is a nice leavening force within the office.
I really love what I do. I usually come to work fairly excited about what I get to do, and I love working with law students and volunteers, and just getting a chance to work with law students who are going to become lawyers, and even if they're not going to become legal aid lawyers, to give them this exposure to something that they may never have seen before in their life, and help them kind of think through, not everybody works at a big firm, and not everybody has those kind of legal issues, and you can make a difference no matter where you're at.